So this is video of our backyard and our alley right now. So you can see the garbage cans are usually about 3.5, 4 feet high, and the snow in our alley is almost up to the very top of the garbage cans. Here's a house. You can see the garage across from us. Snow's like a third up the doorway. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. A little bit snowing really, really bad. Not sure if you can see that or not. See how bad it's coming down right now again. Turn back around into our yard. You can see here's our fence, which is about 3 feet. The snow is actually up over the fence. So I'm gonna walk back right now. Here's our yard. My husband attempted to shovel, but I think that was futile because it's pretty much coming down really, really hard right now. You can see, look at the snow, it's blowing all over, and this is at like 9 o'clock right now. Woo! Wish I had an SUV right now, that's for sure. People are outside in this trying to shovel, but I don't know what the point is. Crazy weather. You can see just how hard it's actually coming down right now. Well, I'm gonna go inside. It's actually getting really, really cold.